Guys, welcome to the Chief Life Kitchen and welcome to 2019. I'm Maddie and today I'm going to take you through a really great recipe for you and the kids. It's a coconut caramel cream bar. Let's have a look at these ingredients.
Protein powder, honey, dates, cacao powder, cinnamon, vanilla essence, shredded coconut, and water. Let's kick today's recipe off by putting the coconut and honey into a bowl. We're going to stir this through until all of the coconut is covered in honey. From there, put your coconut into your baking dish and spread evenly with your fingers. Then we'll place the remaining ingredients into your food processor. We choose to put all of the dry ingredients in first and place the wet ones on top. Turn your food processor on high, and little by little, we're going to add some water. After you add the water, be patient as it can take a while for the water to mix through. You'll know when your mixture is ready because it will clump and make a ball like this. Next, take your mixture, make sure you don't waste any, and knead it evenly over the coconut. Place your bar in the fridge for at least an hour or until your coconut sticks to the mixture. Once it's done, it should peel off like this. Then, cut 12 even slices and enjoy your coconut caramel cream bar.